I've decided to create some awareness around what is required to be a stem cell donor. After doing some research, I came across the actual guidelines, and they are taken from DKMS Africa. They're an international non-profit organization that's dedicated to the fight against blood cancer and blood disorders. You can find the link of their website, somewhere down there. Here's a quick Q&A before we dive in. Do I get paid for donating stem cells? The short answer, hell no. Donating is a voluntary act of kindness, but DKMS will cover all expenses related to your donation, including travel, accommodation, lost wages, any other associated costs, provided you're a viable donor, of course. You will fill out a short medical questionnaire and request a free at-home swab kit. The organization sends you the kit, you swab your cheeks, and they arrange a courier to pick it up. DKMS will pay to have your DNA analyzed in a lab to determine your tissue type. If you ever are identified as a match for a patient, all medical exams, blood tests, and collection procedures are 100% free. Organizations and the patient's medical fund cover all costs, including your travel and accommodation. As a potential donor, you must be between the ages of 17 and 55, maintain a general good health, and have a body mass index or BMI of between 16.5 and 50. If you don't know your BMI, simply Google calculate BMI, then input your height and weight, and presto, we have liftoff. People with minor conditions like well-controlled high blood pressure or mild hypothyroidism can still register. You just need to be checked. Okay, now comes the real stuff. It all starts online. Order your free swab kit. You'll answer a few quick questions to make sure you're eligible, and if you are, your kit will be sent straight to your door. You swab the inside of your cheeks. It only takes a few minutes. Then send the swabs back using the instructions provided. Your sample is then analyzed to determine your HLA tissue type. This is the information doctors use to match donors with patients like me. Once your results are processed, you're added to the stem cell donor registry, and that's it. You could now be a life-saving match that someone, somewhere in the world, is desperately hoping for. And if you're eventually identified as a match, the next step will be the donor team will contact you and guide you through every step. You'll undergo a health check and a blood test to confirm you're the best possible match for that patient. Your donation is usually done through a process called peripheral blood stem cell donation, or apheresis. It's an outpatient procedure that doesn't require surgery, and most donors say it's much easier than they expected it to be. Your donated stem cells are then transplanted into the patient through a procedure that's very similar to a blood transfusion. And finally, you get to go home knowing you've given someone something truly priceless, a second chance at life. Me being someone currently fighting leukemia and waiting for a stem cell transplant, I can tell you that joining the registry isn't just signing up for a database. It's signing up to become someone's hope. Please consider registering today. You may never get that call, but if you do, you could be the reason someone gets to see another birthday, another Christmas, and another sunrise. Thank you for your help in giving people like me a second chance. And just like that, we've reached the end. By following and sharing my posts, you're helping me create more awareness on the subject. And if you can spare a few bucks to assist in my own journey, I'll be just as humbled. Every bit truly helps. Don't forget to check out my socials. The links are somewhere down there somewhere. Go look. God bless you all. Miguel, peace out. And just like that, we've reached the end. By following and sharing my posts, you're helping me create more awareness on the subject. And if you can spare a few bucks to assist in my own journey, I'll be just as humbled. Every bit truly helps. Don't forget to check out my socials. The links are somewhere down there somewhere. Go look. God bless you all. Miguel, peace out.